Hi, I'm Mo. This is Sebastian.
Hi.
And we're at Off-Camber Autosport. There's a little package delivered to us, air freighted actually, from our friends in Poland. Sebastian, can you see what it is?
We should.
Let's see. What do you think it is, Sebastian?
I think what's behind us is giving us a hint.
What is that, Sebastian?
It's a BMW 850 Ci.
E31 to be exact.
Oh, I'm
Jack.
sorry.
Absolutely. So this might be a little gift for that car, you think?
I believe so.
Oh, that's gonna be cool, dude.
Yes.
Shall we see?
Yes.
Guess what we have here, guys? This is an N74 B66 TU motor, which came in the BMW 760 series, okay? It is a 6.6 liter V12, putting out 600 glorious horsepower and about 590 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty cool, huh, Sebastian?
That's fantastic.
Now, if we compare that to the V12 in this car, the lazy V12 as we call it, this guy's an N74, 5.4 liter V12, putting out about 300 horsepower and about 360 foot-pounds of torque.
I mean, back in the day, that'll do. Today, that just doesn't cut it.
I agree. This is going to make this an incredible supercar.
Oh,
Do you agree?
I agree. But customer might just like a little bit more out of her.
And that's why he's at Off-Camber, because we are going to make a match made in heaven. And Sebastian, one more thing. We are the only guys crazy enough to ever put this motor in this chassis. Do you know why?
Why is that?
It doesn't fit. This motor is about 4 to 6 inches too big to fit in that engine bay. But guess what? We're going to make it fit. You guys stay tuned. Watch how Off-Camber Autosport makes this monstrosity of a motor fit in this lovely chassis. Stay tuned.